everyone, welcome back. It's Melissa. Today we are going to do a March plan with me, and I'm going to do it in two different planners. So I wanted to introduce you to the new, formally introduce you to the new monthly kits. We have, I think I have like 5 or 6 of them out now. And the great thing about them is, one, they come in 4 sizes. You have your standard, your happy planner size, B6, and personal planner. The great thing is, though, that you can make them for any month. So like for this one, I have March set up for the same kit, 2 different planners, because I want to show you what it will look like. And then you can also have that same kit. This is a personal size one for April. But for April, you could also do this colorway. So it's really cool, and I think it's a fun idea. And then you get to choose what you want it to be. So I am going to have 2 plan with me, so it's going to be a little bit longer. I'm going to have music and stuff like that. And I will put in the description and try to remember to make chapters. So if you only want to see the happy planner version, you can go to it, and this is going to be the standard version. There will be a plan with me on my Instagram, the butterfly planner, for the B6 and the using the B6 and the personal size. So let's get into it. I'm so excited to be using these kits. I designed them, this one, back in February. And so, no, the end of January. So this is and I'd already bought my February kit from Sweet Quiet Design, so I didn't get to use it. And so I'm very, very excited to finally get to use my monthly kits. I used to have monthly kits back in the day when I first started making plan with me videos, or making stickers, but I stopped because they weren't selling that well, and there were a lot of work to do. By the way, this is the Alice in Wonderland, or I think I call it Tea Party kit. So with the kits, I forgot to say, you get the top washi or header, strips, and then you have all these date dots. You get some full boxes, some sidebar stuff, some cool for holidays or something, and then these long strips. You also get a book of the month, a fun little cloud shape that can go in here, and then some icons. And yeah, I think it's fun. So what day does it start? Let's look at February. Ends on, I think it's just like February, so it's the 1st. So I'm going to put my date dots down, and you can put them here, wherever, obviously, or you can cover them up. And I'm going to speed through this. Okay, so that is how it looks all laid out. This particular planner, this is the Sweet Quiet Design planner and Cricut Paper Co planner. It does not actually have a traditional sidebar. So I'm just going to put it here on the side here. I'm going to put my book of the month, because I am in a book club, and so I think it's fun to mark that book right here. And then I'm just going to put 2 checklists. And this spacing is not the normal spacing of, I said, the traditional, because it's not an actual sidebar, because you can make it for either, but that's fine. And then I think I want to use this teacup right here, and we'll use it. Actually, I'm gonna wait. Hold on. I think it'd be cute to use this down here first. So I'm gonna use this first strip down on the bottom here, just like that, and this second strip here. Sorry about Daisy, she's chewing on her scratcher. She loves to just tear it apart. It's kind of funny. Actually, there's like always cardboard all over my office. I have to literally pick it up every day. So I just cover up that line and go across, and then we can put this one here and kind of have like a cute white space sidebar. I really like how that actually turned out. I think it's super cute. Okay, so I have friends that literally all their birthdays, I'm not kidding, like 7 of them, and 2 sets of them have the birthdays on the same day, are right here. I have to write it all down, and I didn't bring my list with me because I'm a bad person, and yeah. So I will fill that in later, but I'm going to put, I think, a full box here and here to just kind of space it out. And it doesn't bother me that it goes over. It's kind of fun that way. And then like this. And then where else can we put? I don't know. I don't have a lot of stuff planned. I could put in new releases, which are, here, I'll use this one. They are the 13th. So yeah, I'll do new releases. Like that. And I think that's it. And then I can just save these for other things as they go through it. And I'll put in my birthdays later. So now let's do the same thing, but in our happy planner, which this is an undated one, so I feel like I can use it. Obviously I can use it, but yeah. Actually, I'm going to take the pages out. To be honest, I kind of miss my happy planner. I go through phases with them. It was like my first real planner where I sticker planned, so I kind of have a special place in my heart, and I just love that you can take the pages out because it makes doing stuff like this so much easier. I didn't quite get that lined up right, but there we go on that one. And then we can put this one down. Like so. Sorry if my head's in the way. Didn't get that one perfect either, but so cute. And now the fun part. Let's, you know what, I'm gonna do the opposite, and I'm going to work on my sidebar first, just because I can, and I'm gonna do it differently because I can. But I made it so it fits the exact width of the planner. I'm gonna put this pink one in the middle. And then another like that. And then this one can go, oops, like so. I made this so it can also fit in the box, but I'm gonna put mine in my sidebar. Like so. Okay, now the tedious part, and you've already seen this, so I'm gonna snap, and we have them done. So, there we go. So cute. It's turning out really well. Let's do this one a little different. We're gonna mark new releases again, and this time I'm gonna use this Bully one because And why not be matchy-matchy with this one? And put it here. And then I am going to take these strips and I'm actually going to put them on the top and bottom of this one. Like so. Oops. And it's a little long, so I'm going to take my scissors and snip it. Snip it good. Do 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 do. Yeah, I'm weird. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom. And then you could put like a quote or something awesome that happened, or just leave it as is, or I don't know. I just think it looks cool. And then I'm going to put some of the rest of these throughout, and I'm going to take them and like, I'll put one on the 16th. And you can just take it off and then put the box right in, and you can see it fits perfectly, and then you can put the date right there. So let's do one for the 5th. And again, it just fits perfectly in the box. Put the 5 back there. Where else can we put one? I feel like one needs to be here. Maybe the 28th to anchor it all. I think that'll look cute. Maybe the 27th. Let's do the 27th because I feel like the dark blue will blend, or you know, will contrast better. There we go. So that is how the Happy Planner one turned out, and just to remind you, this is how the standard or Sweet Quiet Design one turned out, and so they're different but the same. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this idea of getting to choose your month for this. Like, this could be March, it could be April, it could say June on it, whatever you want. So yeah, link for this kit and the other monthly kits will be in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.